Hello, my name is Eric from Eric Blais Sales and Service. I'm a sales and service specialist here. My father, Michel, started the business back in 2005, and I will be second generation taking over the business. Orec fits in very good with us because they have a full line of product that serves a commercial contractor. From snow removal up to brush cutting or up to soil preparation, they have a full line of products. So the brush rover is very unique. It's so compact in size and it's so low to the ground. It has a very good center of gravity. So whether it's the two-wheel drive model, the four-wheel drive model, if you have a slope to mow the brush on, or you have any area you need to clear brush, it does a very good job doing it and efficiently. It'll cut small branches up to 2 inches, and it's very powerful to clear a large area of brush, whether you're a commercial contractor or a large homeowner. So the Cyclone flail mower is an awesome unit. Because it's a flail mower, it actually mulches the brush or the branches instead of cutting it up, so it leaves a nicer finish. And with the tracks on it, it has great flotation, so whether you're on soft ground or in wet terrain, it won't get stuck and you'll be able to get your job done. There is a sulky available for the track unit. There is a wheeled unit available as well. So the Gardenquake is a very good tiller for the commercial contractor or the very serious gardener. It's very easy to handle. You can use it one-handed if you don't want to walk into your path that you're tilling. It has a differential lock on it, so if you want to go straight, it'll go straight. If you want to turn around, just disengage the differential lock, you'll turn that thing around like just as easy as anything. Being at a rear-tine tiller, it's a lot easier to use or to maneuver because a front-tine tiller makes you work very hard, and it's very hard to get that soil broken up but being a rear-tine, it works very good, and it's commercial quality tiller, which is good for any commercial contractor or the very serious gardener. A Trailblazer transporter is a great piece of equipment. It's so unique in size and it's so compact to virtually fit anywhere, and it has great flotation on snow. So whether you want to haul logs, move pavers, or whether you're a commercial contractor or a homeowner with a large property, it'll transport anything you need it to transport efficiently and without having to work hard. Whether you're a commercial contractor or a homeowner with a large property that is still using a wheelbarrow, you definitely need a Trailblazer to transport what you would normally transport with your wheelbarrow. So the Snow Rhino is a great sidewalk machine because it's virtually anywhere and it can turn around at 0 degrees on the sidewalk, which is pretty nice. There's no other machine that can do that. And the fact that it can actually go upstairs or climb curbs is very impressive. So in some applications, you can't necessarily blow the snow everywhere, so you have to actually push the snow, and especially when there's vehicles around, well, you have to be careful, and that's where the snow plow fits in better than the snow blower for sidewalks. So a Snow Rhino will come in handy also for commercial contractors because the fact that it can actually put some down pressure on the blade and can actually scrape sidewalks versus a snowblower where you can't. You're actually walking behind and you can't put any down pressure. So a Snow Rhino will do a better job cleaning a sidewalk than a snowblower. So what happens with a snowblower, when you get wet, heavy snow, it tends to clog up and it takes more time, or it just doesn't work, and the guys just end up doing it by hand, which with a Snow Rhino, they can clean it with a machine and it takes them less time. And of course, doing commercial, well, time is money, and when you pay employees, well, the faster you can do the job, the best, because they just need to get it done and get to the next contract. So what's nice with the Snow Rhino is that with one person, one machine, you can do the work of 3 people, and it's hard to get people to work. So of course, if you can save time and labor, it's well worth their money. So the Snow Bull is a nice little unit because it's nice and compact, and it's very easy to maneuver, and of course it saves a lot of time because you don't need to shovel, so it'll save at least 2 workers, so you'll have 1 person, and contrary to blowing snow, you won't hurt anyone. You can really control where your snow goes. So the Snow Bull may look like a very small unit, but it's quite impressive for the size and weight of that unit, how much snow it can actually move and how well it actually clean a sidewalk versus either a shovel or a snowblower. It's very impressive.